so much for that dramatic entering. Anyways. No, 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 no. That's what I found yesterday, that whole tote. And some. Don't even ask me how I got the light turned on over there. Because, yeah. I got a bunch of window frames that need to bust the window out. What do I need to do? Man, I need to do it. Oh, dude, we didn't even go over this side, but this is about as far as we go. There we go. Now we're on this side, everybody. That is as far as we can go. More window frames. I got about like 20 or 30 of these things that bust out. This tote's full of junk. That's what I got the other day too, yesterday. That was it. Those two totes, I went out twice. That tote and that tote down under there. And I picked that sink up too. Picked all this stuff up. Look at this, man. Too bad it's all faded. Bush. That was something that was hanging in a liquor store.
I still need to bust this thing.
Try to do something. So try to do something. I need to get over here. You know, I need to get over here. Huh. Hey. Hey.
Hi.
Yeah. Oh, that's not bad for the CU bucket. There's some solid strands, and then there's some of these do have a wire in it. Very nice. That's good for the CU short stick bucket. And then I got this wire here, the braided wire. Boom. Killer. Oh. Killer surface fine. What? We'll take it. Yes, please. Alright, let's see what's in this joker. More wires. No. Yeah. I already know that's fiber optic. I can already tell. I could tell. That's what she is. I could be wrong. Let's see. Yeah. Oh yeah. That is. Yep. Fiber optic. I'm not even jumping in there. That's exactly what that is. You could tell. I could tell. I've seen a lot of it. It fooled me numerous times, so not today, jokers. Not today. Out of the three main dumpsters, that's all I got was that wire, but I wouldn't have it if I didn't look. We wouldn't have it if we didn't look, right? And the short copper stick bucket's almost full. And I'm out of wire. So we need to find more wire. So let's find more wire. I love these things. The 5 just creeped by looking at me. Let's see if he'll come around the alley. He just turned down this way. We'll see if he comes down the alley here, but look at what we got. Well. handy. It's lighter than the 2 central air units I brought home, but it's a little bit bigger and bulkier. If anything, I might walk down here with the dolly and a strap. Dolly and a strap. We got propane, boy. Should we take the propane? It's oxygen though. No, I'm keeping that there. I'm not picking it up. Should we check the old pawn shop? Let's do it. It's early enough. They're not going to be open yet. We'll get some flat boys on the way back through here. Yeah, I see 3 or 4 of them so far. Super flat ones too. All right, let's keep it rolling straight to the dumpster. See if that arcade cabinet's still here, because when I seen it was like 6 weeks ago. We'll see if it's still here. Yep, still there. Yep. Well, I was just telling Jesse I wanted a hoverboard. Scrapper never wants, he just waits, right? Ain't that right, King? Not real hip on taking microwaves. I am hip on taking the cord. Can do it without making a mess. Let's take that. We'll just take the whole thing because the dogs and the roosters are all howling. Holy cow, it's freaking cold out here, people. And I'm sweating because of this suit. Yeah, I like these frames. It's good, clean, extruded. Easy to take apart too. Easy. Easy to take apart. All right, well, you know, I just remembered there's another dumpster down this alley. Oh, shoot, I'm gonna have to, let me unload this real quick. Huh. I gotta answer a text at the end of the road here. Probably Mama McKee, to make sure I got everything done that I needed to get done. Today is Thanksgiving, everybody. And hopefully you're all off for the next 4 days like I am. It's awesome. Real awesome, because I got to do some breakdown in the scrap shack there, like big time. Like big time. Get things ready for the yard haul. No. Because I found me a metal detector. It's busted. And computer that has four RAM sticks in it still. Usually it's all gone. The RAM stick. Found that cool ashtray and some binoculars. Pretty cool. Let me get away from the garage. I just heard somebody in there. So, there used to be a roll-off over here. That's the one I totally forgot about. I picked up a window unit. And, yeah, hey, it's still here. This was like a month ago when I picked up the unit. Oh, yeah. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, found that ashtray. I used to have one of these. I couldn't remember. You had to buy it with camel bucks. Camel bucks, they called it. Flashlight. We'll put some batteries in there and see if it works. We can always use that. Nice pair of binoculars in case I want to spy and see if there's any locks on some dumpsters down the road, you know, down the alleyway. See if I could see if any of the dumpsters have locks on it down the alleyway, because I know that people are watching me. They started locking that dumpster up. Holy cow. Holy cow, they filled this thing up. And there is nothing I want. Goodbye. I'm heading to the Recycle Boys. That's funny. I just can't let it go. I just can't let it go. You're kidding me. I don't know where to put this. A little decoration for the garage. What is all this? Steel. More steel. All right. I don't know. I don't know. We'll be happy with the pictures. Like I said, I got enough steel. Or like, yeah, see, I can pull out the binoculars way down the way and see if there's a lock on there. Of course, I can see it from here. All right. We got plenty of steel. We don't need any more unless it's heavy. That's the steel we'll take, the heavy steels. I'm still thinking about grabbing the dolly and walking over there and getting that washing machine, but or the dryer or whatever it was. The thing is, it has to stay outside the scrap shack. I did go buy a bunch of tarps though. I don't like, I only got a few things stored outside the scrap shack and I don't like it. I'm not down with that. All right, pushing on. He's stuck in there. Huh. Big branch. Getting a little Thanksgiving feast in there. Come on out of there. Look. She ain't going nowhere. It's the little sacrifices that make life so grand, you know.
Sit, meow mix, sit. Meow. That's a good pussy.